Hey, this is Pushkar and I'm from Team Orbit with the working prototype and demo of the app. Now, if you actually go to migrationhackathonproject.web.app from anywhere in the world, from any device on the internet, if you go here, you can actually test the working prototype here. This is the database that it is connected to, the backend, and now this is the front end. Now, this is a website as well as an app, but currently I'm on PC, which is why I'm using a website. Now let's say I'm provider, I click here, right? There is no organizations. I go and I click and I create organization as test organization. Now I get two keys, the latest one and this old one is for the testing purposes. Done. I go here now. Now if you try using the old key, I mean the new key, with the new key you can actually connect. It is happening. But if I use the old key and I try to connect, see, it says that legacy v1 key detected, please upgrade. Now coming to the part, in order to have data, we have a button called as seed data, using which you can seed random data which has known anomalies. Now I seed data. Let's say I go on seeding for some times, right? These things are here. Now there is data and there it has anomalies in it. Now the thing was that initially we would do the migration, then it would happen, there would be errors. These errors would be stored here and all these errors would be actually handled by the AI, right? But now what if we take it a step ahead? Rather than filing errors while migration, why don't you do a pre-scan of how much is the success rate, how much errors and what errors are there? And so here we do a predictive scan using the AI. So the AI model scans your database and says that okay, these all things are there actually, right? The AI connected in the backend is actually Gemini, and it does a proper backend scan of your database that okay, these products are okay and these are malformed. So the malformed items are flagged and it shows a confidence level that should you proceed or not, right? So it suggests that you fix those products beforehand or delete them beforehand in order to have a successful migration. That was okay, that was good. But you know what's even better? What if the AI actually fixed all of them for you? And yes, it happens. Here the AI actually fixes all the errors for you on its own. Let's say I do a predictive scan. Now it is scanning the database, the model. Now it is giving 70% confidence. It is saying null value error detected, the integrity issue. Now it has encountered this 6 times previously. Now this is the memory based learning for the model. Now this was the pre-analysis, but now if I still click execute, the AI has learned about our organization and it has learned about the products and it can reason, so it automatically fixes the malformed items. It fixes their values, it fixes their names or whatever is missing. So I click execute migration. You see here agent autofix, agent autofix. It literally fixed all the problems that were there, and now 7 out of 7 are successful and just 0 failed. This way you get 100% perfectly migration rate, right? It is total success. And now I copy the version 2, I go to my store, and now I see all the errors are fixed and all the items are here now. All the 7 items are here. So now this is the working prototype of it. This was Team Orbit and this is the maker info and purpose of it. Thank you so much.